Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello students, today we shall study interchange of assertive and exclamatory sentences. If exclamatory sentence is given, then how we should convert it exclamatory to assertive. Rule first. If exclamatory sentence begins with if only, would that, oh that or oh that. यदि एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस इफ ओनली, वुड दैट, ओ दैट या ओ दैट से प्रारंभ हुआ है तो असर्टिव बनाने के लिए उसे हम आई विश दैट से प्रारंभ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ ओनली आई कुड गेट अ लास्टिंग सक्सेस. असर्टिव, आई विश दैट आई कुड गेट अ लास्टिंग सक्सेस. वुड दैट आई वर इमोर्टल. Assertive is I wish that I were immortal. Here we can write that or not because that is hidden. I wish I were immortal. Now rule number second, place assertive clause in place of exclamatory words. As hooray, we should start the assertive sentence with it is a matter of joy that. If sentence begins with alas, then we should start assertive sentence with it is sad that. In the same way, if sentence begins with bravo, then assertive sentence begins with it is a matter of praise that. Now example, hooray, I achieved a great success. Assertive will be it is a matter of joy that I achieved a great success. Alas, he lost everything. It is sad that he lost everything. Bravo, you spoke well. Assertive will be it is a matter of praise that you spoke well. Now, rule number third. If sentence begins with what or how and after what or how we find adjective word and after that subject and verb, then assertive sentence will be started with subject verb and we place very before adjective in place of what or how. वाट और हाउ के स्थान पर हमें वेरी यूज करना है, उसके पश्चात एडजेक्टिव वर्ड यूज करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट एन इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट यू आर. असर्टिव विल बी यू आर अ वेरी इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, हाउ प्लीजेंट द वेदर इज. असर्टिव, द वेदर इज वेरी प्लीजेंट. Here pleasant is adjective, that's why we place here very before adjective. What a beautiful picture it is. Then assertive will be it is a very beautiful picture. In fourth sentence, how difficult this question is. Subject is this question, so we should start assertive sentence this question is very difficult. Now rule third का second part. If sentence begins with what or how and just after it we find noun word and after subject and verb, then we should start this assertive sentence with subject and verb and after that we place great or wonderful in place of what or how. what और how के बदले हमें great या wonderful यूज करना चाहिए just before noun, before से noun से पहले. हमें ग्रेट और वंडरफुल व्हाट और हाउ के बदले यूज करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट अ पिटी यू हैव सोन. सब्जेक्ट इज हियर यू and helping verb have, shown main verb. Then begins the sentence you have shown a great pity. Pity is noun, that's why we place here great. Second example, what a piece of work man is. Assertive will be Man is a wonderful piece of work. In third example, what a success it was. An assertive sentence will be it was a wonderful scene. Here scene is given. What a scene it was. Then it was a wonderful scene. What a success he achieved. An assertive sentence, he achieved a great success. Now, fifth example, what an idea. Here, subject and verb is not given. So, we can place here, it is a great idea. हम it is subject को मान लेते हैं यदि subject नहीं दिया गया है. Now, see, wonderful हमें किन words से पहले यूज करना चाहिए. For example, if noun word is given idea, sight, scene, place, joke, piece, and dress, we should place